how to link and unlink service in SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. So you will see Connected Devices here. So click on Connected Devices. Now here's a scroll down to and click on SmartThings. So after click on SmartThings, click on only this time and click on Menu. So after click on Menu, click on this Settings icon. So after click on Settings icon, you will see Linked Services here. So click on Linked Services. So after click on Linked Services, you will see your linked services is showing here. So if you want to unlink, so you click on service and click on minus icon. So after click on minus icon, you will see now here showing you unlinked. So click on unlinked, you will see your linked service is unlinked. So if you want to add link service, so go back and click on devices. So after click on devices, click on add devices. So after click on add devices, click on add. So after click on add, so select SmartThings and you will select from here. After selecting and go back and click on menu and click on linked service. You will see linked services showing here. So link services add. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can link and unlink service in SmartThings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.